Welcome back. As we've already established that when you sign up with your GI Connect, you're going to get two separate telecommunication solutions, your GI Connect network and VoIP. Now, as a customer with GI Connect, you get to choose which one to use. You get both networks. Your GI Connect network with local access numbers to make long-distance and international calls on your cell or home phone, or you can use your VoIP service, the soft phone on your computer, and make calls to other VoIP users or even telephones and landlines at VoIP rates. This is what makes GI Connect stand out from all of the other telecom companies. Now, the information that's been generated. The moment an account number and username have been generated, now don't worry, I'll be showing you how this is done in a later lesson. You're going to now have access to both of your accounts. Access to your GI Connect network, which is going to give you the local access numbers to 100+ countries, and you can start making calls around the world for just pennies a minute. And then you're also going to have access to the VoIP side of your system. And with the VoIP account that's been created, you'll have generated all of the necessary protocols, such as a SIP number, an IP address, a username, and your account number. Now, we're going to tell you what these actually mean shortly. Now you're ready to call all around the world via the VoIP network for literally nothing. The calls that you'll now be able to make are right on your soft phone, right on your GI Connect VoIP network. So, why is this important information to you as a GI Connect business owner? As a GI Connect business owner, it's critical that you have an understanding of both your GI Connect network and the VoIP services and the significance that they provide. Now, understand this. Once we start digging into all of our services that a customer receives, there's going to be some things that are extremely unfamiliar to you. Now, remember, we're an international company, and the way people communicate worldwide has the tendency to be different than how we do in the U.S. So, what we need to accomplish in these different training modules is for you to have a broad understanding of the services that we offer worldwide. So, now we're going to discuss some of the telecommunication industry terms. We're going to go through the difference between VoIP versus TDM versus PSTN. Now, you might be asking yourself, what do these acronyms mean? Well, that's why we're here together right now. We're going to find out. So they're important, so let's get to know them and go over them right now. VoIP. VoIP is simply voice over the internet protocol. Simple terms, making phone calls over the internet. TDM. TDM is essentially what our GI Connect network is, and then there is PSTN, which is a public switch telephone network. All that is making phone calls using cell phones or home phones, etc. That's how you communicate right now. Now, to help you understand telecom and the nature of the business, we're now going to discuss the way calls are made and show you some examples to help clarify it. So, PSTN. Again, it means public switch telephone network. It's a digital system that allows calls to be made via cellular and landlines. Essentially, this is a system that you have when you're making a call from your cell phone or your home phone right now. TDM. This is essentially the GI Connect network. All it is a gateway to our server. This is a service that as a GI Connect customer you can use to bypass most of the steps in that traditional PSTN to let you make calls on the GI Connect network from your home or cell phone at very, very close to VoIP rates. And VoIP. This is voice over the internet protocol. VoIP is all the rage and has created a buzz in the industry. VoIP is the most inexpensive way to make a call. It's all over the internet. Now, according to industry experts, within the next 3 years, VoIP is going to be in over 65 million households replacing traditional phone lines. Now, that's a great thought to end this lesson. I'm going to see you in the next one.